Analytics Adda. So today is our 15th class of Python series. In this class we will learn about dictionary. So what is Python dictionary? A dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of key value pairs. Each key value pairs maps to a value and keys must be unique. This is the definition of Python. Now we will move to the next segment, syntax of dictionary. What is the syntax of dictionary? Basically, this is a variable myDict and dictionary is enclosed in curly brackets. Key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, key 3 value 3, and here key 1, key 2, key 3 are the keys and value 1, value 2, value 3 are the values. So this is the basic syntax of dictionary. Now we will do some basic dictionary operations. Creating a dictionary. How can you create a dictionary? Basically, dictionary is created by using two methods. First is curly braces, second is dict constructor. So by using curly braces we can use a variable myDict and the values is stored in this variable using the curly braces, like name is the key, value alias, key value. Now we can also create the dict dictionary using dict constructor. By using dict constructor we can store the inside variable dict2 myDict2, and we can use the keyword constructor dict, and inside this we will store the dictionary value, like name is equal to Bob, age is equal to 30, city is equal to Los Angeles, and we can print these two dictionaries myDict and myDict2, then we will get the answers. Now second part, how can we access the values in a dictionary? How can we access a value inside the dictionary? We can access by using the key value. Like suppose we want to get the name value, then we can use the name key, like print myDict. Inside this we can use the name key, and myDict age, we can get the age of that respective dictionary value. Third, how can we remove or add items in a dictionary? We can remove or add items with the help of just simple code. Like adding a new value, we can just add a new value. myDict email is the new key, and inside the email we can use the value of that email. And now how can we modify an existing value? We can use myDict age, and the age will be modified, and then print myDict. If we will run this code, then we can get this. How can we remove the elements? Basically, in in Python we can remove the element using del statement or pop statement. Del statement, you can say delete, short form of delete. Del myDict email, if you want to remove that my email key, then we can use del, and using pop method to remove and return the value. To remove the value, we can also use myDict.pop, and this is stored into a variable called removed value. If you can print this, then you can get this. And now we will move into the dictionary methods. What are the dictionary methods and how the methods can be used? Basically, there are many methods in dictionary. We will explain one by one. Dot get method is used to access a value from the key. If you want to access a value using a key, then we can use dot get method, and it is safer to use the dot get method because it is safer than using square brackets, because they does not exist. Okay, if you want to use the access a value, then we can use dot get method, like print myDict dot get name. If you want to get the name, then use dot get name and dot get email. You can specify also a default value if the key is not modified, like code print myDict dot get email not found, email not found, then we can use this method. Dot keys will return a view that display all the keys in the dictionary. If you want to get all the keys, how many keys are inside the dictionary, then we can use dot keys method. Like the keys, if you want to get all the values inside the dictionary method, then we can use values method. Print myDict dot values, it will show all the values. Dot items will return how many items in the method, showing key value pairs. Okay, like myDict dot items will show all the method. If you want to clear a dictionary, then we can use dot clear. Iteration over a dictionary. If you iterate over a dictionary using a loop, so we can use for key in dict then print key using a loop. For values, we can use for value in mydict values, then you can use print values. Key value pair, you can use for key comma value. In mydict.items, we are using here items because items will contain key and value both, then we can use print key and values. Now we have covered lots more in dictionary. Now we will go into next part, nested dictionary. A dictionary can contain another dictionary and its value, it is called nested dictionary. Okay, nested dictionary is equal to student name, alias, age 25, courses, and courses inside you want to specify how many courses that the dictionary will contain. You can get math, in which math he has scored 90 marks, science 85, then is the example of nested dictionary. And if you want to access the nested dictionary, then we can use print. Student is the dictionary, courses is the key, inside that courses math is again a key, then you can get the 90 up. Okay, that's all from the dictionary section in Python. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.